In this video, we will provide a general display overview of the Ag Leader Edge display. On the home screen, we can select Display Information, Start Field Operation. We can navigate to the Setup screen, Home screen, and Run screen. On the home screen, we can also view Operation Summary. If we go to the Setup screen, we can select Management, Field Notes, Console, GPS and Guidance, Tillage, Planting, Application, and Harvest Operations. If we go to the Run screen, from the Run screen we can view GPS status, map options. We can navigate back to the home screen. We can enable and disable logging, and we can see our ground speed. If we go to the View Operation Summary, we can see our season, grower, farm, field, and operation. Depending on the operation, a product window will also show up. We have now completed a general display overview of the Ag Leader Edge display. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer, other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel, or the Ag Leader Knowledgebase at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the home page.